In the meantime, the palace, our president's response to the Chinese embassy's rather threatening message, or even blackmail, couldn't have been more appropriate. Respect, the palace stressed, is the hallmark of any successful dialogue between two parties seeking a measure of understanding or common ground to proceed further. Our Clazel Pardilla hashes over the details.
Ang pagsaalang-alang sa friendly discussion at sa healthy dialogue ay dapat nagbumula sa dalawang bansa. Hindi lamang mula sa Pilipinas, hindi lamang mula sa China. Dapat ito po ay dalawang bansa ang nagpupursige para magkaroon po ng mutual respect sa bawat isa.
That was Malacanang's response to the statement issued by the Chinese embassy after it warned of possible serious damage to Philippines-China relations amid the escalating exchange of statements between officials of both countries. The proposal by several senators to declare Chinese representatives in the Philippines persona non grata and calls to replace Chinese Ambassador Jing Quan. The Chinese embassy cautioned that millions of Filipino jobs could be put at risk. The palace, however, maintained that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s position on the proposal to declare the Chinese ambassador persona non grata is clear.
Ang issue tungkol sa pag-declare ng persona non grata, ang sabi po ng Pangulo dyan, hindi na kailangan tapusin ang question mula sa media dahil ang sagot niya po ay no. Hindi po kinakailangan palitan.
The Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA, urged the Chinese embassy to exercise responsibility in issuing its statements. According to the DFA, the tone of the embassy statement is concerning, particularly in relation to the possible impact of rising tensions on the bilateral relations between the two nations. The Philippines, it said, values cooperation with various countries, whether economic or cultural. The Foreign Affairs Department added that statements of this nature undermine efforts to sustain constructive bilateral dialogue between the two nations. The DFA reiterated that diplomacy remains key to strengthening and advancing the bilateral relationship between the Philippines and China.
Clazel Pardilla from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.